Thank you, Mr. Speaker. We are coming up on a year since the Sackville Memorial Hospital started closing the ER on weekend nights, and 6 months since it started closing every day between 4 p.m. and 8 a.m. Many members of my community feel the daily stress of not knowing if the hospital will be open when they need it. Some first responders have had to risk their lives to take ambulances to Moncton during blizzards because the ER was closed. In Sackville, wait times are long, and I know of people who have shown up at 8 a.m. when the ER opened and been sent home at night when it closed without even receiving care. Those working within the system have been strained, and our healthcare system has been mismanaged for years. Patients are suffering, Mr. Speaker. The communities I represent need and deserve timely access to emergency care. My community deserves answers. When will we get full service again at the Sackville Memorial Hospital?
Minister of Health.
Well, Mr. Speaker, I understand the frustration that communities feel when this happens. It's happened in several areas of the province because of human health resources. It is unfortunate, but we cannot run an emergency room if we do not have a safe amount of staff. I will tell you that I believe the Horizon Health Network is working towards implementing, getting emergency services back there, and Ambulance New Brunswick has been tremendous in offering an additional rapid response vehicle at the Sackville Hospital to ensure that we have good coverage. It's not ideal, Mr. Speaker, and I know that communities want to have the services that they're used to having. Temporary can be lengthy. And I'm not saying it's not frustrating, but I will not make a commitment until Horizon is able to get the appropriate staff levels that they need in order to operate safe emergency rooms.
Member from Member Cook Mount.
Mr. Speaker, I'm glad they listened to my suggestion to have another rapid response vehicle, but my community had to force Horizon to start recruiting properly. But, Mr. Speaker, I'm terrified that in the meantime, someone is going to die due to lack of service.